The Truth About Life, A Journey to Happiness and Success. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ethan Carter. I'm 35 years old, and today I want to talk about something more valuable than anything you've ever held in your hands. I'm not here to give you shortcuts or tricks. I'm here to tell you the truth, and the truth isn't always easy to hear, but it will set you free. I wasn't born into wealth, privilege, or power. I didn't have all the answers handed to me on a silver platter. I grew up in a small town, in a family that had just enough to get by. My parents taught me a lesson I carry to this day. Life doesn't owe you anything. You have to go out and earn it. I wasn't the smartest kid in school or the most talented, but what I lacked in natural gifts, I made up for in determination. I failed, and I failed often, but every time I hit the ground, I got back up. And here's the first truth I learned about life. Your failures don't define you. What defines you is what you do after you fail. Let me ask you this. Have you ever sat on your bed, staring at the ceiling, wishing life were different? Wishing you had more money, a better job, or a stronger body? I've been there. We all have. But here's something important. Wishing doesn't change anything. Action does. Happiness isn't something waiting at the end of a rainbow. It's not in a bigger house, a faster car, or a luxurious lifestyle. Happiness is here and now, in the warmth of the sun on your face, the sound of laughter, the satisfaction of creating something meaningful. If you keep chasing happiness through material things, you'll never catch it. True happiness comes from within. The truth about money. People act like money is the key to everything. Is it important? Absolutely. You need it to survive. But let me tell you something. Money is a tool, not a god. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. If you believe money will solve all your problems, you're wrong. It only amplifies who you already are. If you're unhappy, insecure, or lost, no amount of money will fix that. But if you're strong, focused, and driven, money can help you achieve incredible things. The enemy within. Laziness. Laziness whispers lies into your ears. It tells you, you can do it tomorrow. It convinces you that you deserve to rest. But laziness is a thief. It steals your dreams while you're sleeping. Every minute you waste is a minute you'll never get back. I've learned this the hard way. I've let opportunities slip through my fingers because I was too afraid, too lazy, or too distracted. And every time I regretted it. So I made a vow to myself. I will not let fear or laziness control my life. When doors close, windows open sometimes. Life doesn't go as planned. The job you wanted, the relationship you cherished, the dream you had, it all falls apart. And it hurts. But every time a door has closed in my life, another opportunity has come along. The key is to keep your eyes open. Don't dwell on what you've lost. Focus on what you can gain. Don't take life too seriously. Life is unpredictable. It's messy. And that's okay. You don't have to figure everything out right now. You don't have to be perfect. Laugh at your mistakes. Embrace your flaws. And stop trying to impress others. Because here's the truth. You don't need anyone's approval to live your life. Whether you're from the US, the UK, Japan, South Korea, or anywhere else, you are the leader of your future. You don't need to follow the crowd. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone. Do whatever sets your soul on fire. You're worth it. Never stop learning. The day you stop learning is the day you stop growing. Teach yourself new skills, read books, ask questions, and stay curious. Learning is the key to unlocking your potential. And don't wait for someone to teach you. You are your own best teacher. Now, pause and think about your life. What are you doing right now? Are you chasing your dreams, or are you standing still? Are you truly living, or just existing? Because here's the truth. You only get one shot. Make it count. A lesson from a stranger. I wasn't always like this, confident, calm, and focused. There was a time when I felt lost. I'd wake up, look in the mirror, and wonder, what's the point? Then, one day, something happened. I was walking through a park, feeling drained, when I saw an old man feeding birds. His face told 1,000 stories, wrinkled, yet full of life. I sat next to him, and he turned to me and said, "Son, do you know the secret to happiness?" I shook my head, expecting a long, complicated answer. But he smiled and said, "Happiness is not something you find. It's something you create." That moment changed me. All my life I had been waiting for happiness to arrive. I thought I needed more money, more success, more recognition. But here was this man, content with nothing but a bag of breadcrumbs and the company of birds, telling me that happiness was in my hands. Simplicity is power. From that day on, I started simplifying my life. I stopped chasing things that didn't matter. I focused on what truly brought me joy. Reading a book, having a meaningful conversation, taking a walk in nature. Here's a lesson for you. Life isn't about how much you have. It's about how much you enjoy what you have. Failure is a friend. Let me tell you about the first business I started. I put everything into it. And you know what? It failed miserably. I thought I was a failure. But here's the truth. Failure isn't the end. It's a beginning. Every failure teaches you something. My failed business taught me more than any success ever could. It taught me resilience. It taught me to stand back up and try again. So don't fear failure. Fail fast, fail often, and learn from it. People will judge you. Anyway, no matter what you do, people will judge you. If you succeed, they'll say you're lucky. If you fail, they'll say you're foolish. If you do something different, they'll call you crazy. So stop living for others. Stop trying to impress people who don't care about you. Live for yourself. Life is short. When I was 30, I lost someone very close to me. He was only 29. One moment, he was there, laughing, dreaming about the future. The next moment, he was gone. That loss taught me this. Life is short, and tomorrow is never guaranteed. If there's something you want to do it now. If there's someone you love, tell them now. Your mind is a garden. Your mind is like a garden. Whatever you plant, that's what will grow. If you plant negativity, doubt, and fear, your mind will be overrun with weeds. But if you plant positivity, hope, and gratitude, your mind will blossom. Take care of your thoughts. Your mind is your greatest asset. Treat it well. The best is yet to come. No matter where you are in life, no matter how hard things seem, remember this. The best is yet to come. Your story isn't over. You have more chapters to write, more dreams to chase, more mountains to climb. So don't give up. Keep going. Because the best moments, the biggest victories, and the greatest joys are still ahead of you. You are powerful beyond measure. You are enough. And no matter how dark the night, the sun always rises.